color's horrible, it's purple. I can't dig it. Got some horrible damage here on this 4th fret. Look at that nasty. I don't want to fix that. I don't want to work on that. We're going to order this too. Ordering a complete loaded pick guard, so most of this is still good, but I'm going to keep most of it parts. On our table today, we've got a mess. This is a 1999 Squier Stratocaster that my wife has donated for this rebuild. It's got some pretty bad damage. You can see there on this 4th fret, gnarly, 4th fret, gnarly, 4th fret, gnarly. Take this hideous purple down to the wood, bring it back up to a vintage blue with the color tone paint. I think we'll end up using, I like that color pretty good. Let's get going.
So I went ahead and ordered this neck here. It's got all the tuners and everything going to come with it. It is the Squier Strat, and we found it for $60 here at Reverb. So we'll see that whenever it gets here. Look through it, everything looks pretty good, no damage. Little ding I think up here, but nothing too deep. Not as bad as my 4th fret on the one we're replacing. Look at that, yuck. Way too much work. I think we'll spend the $60. And this is what we're gonna pick up from eBay. I didn't do any bidding, I just went ahead and paid the $30 to go ahead and get it sent out so we can get this build going. Again, this is for the Strat Squier rebuild with string swap, and everything comes with this one here. So between this and the neck with the tuners from Reverb, we should be good to go.
Stay updated on this rebuild with string swap on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. We're going to keep you updated with photos and videos all along the way. It's going to be a lot of fun.